We will now solve the equation 150 over 2.5 equals x over 6. We'll solve it by equating cross products. The cross products are 150 times 6 and 2.5 times x. So we have 150 times 6 equals 2.5 times x. To solve, we'll divide both sides by 2.5, and we have 150 times 6 divided by 2.5 equals 2.5 times x divided by 2.5. On the right side, this simplifies to just x. On the left side, we have 150 times 6, which is 900, divided by 2.5. Carrying out the division, we have that 360 equals x. To check, we would substitute 360 for x and calculate the cross products to see if they are indeed equal. And they are, so we can state that the solution is 360.